Hello everyone, it's Randy, and today I'll be showing you how to create a FiveM server off of FX Server Creator. So what you're first going to want to do is buy your VPS, log in. You'll get your login details sent. I'll also have a good provider down below that y'all should visit. So once you do, here you'll go to FX Server Creator. And here, 1 second. Okay. We are all good now. Okay, so once you get here, these are just a few other files. So you want to go into this, and I'll have a link down for this below in the description. Once you get this is one of the easiest ways for new people. So you name your, this will show up in your C drive here. I'll show you where that is. It's right here. You click on your C drive and it should show up over here. So once you do that, you want to go here. Server name shows up in the server list. This will be, you can change it though. So for this, we'll just do it's Randy's test server. There. And then you have to have a Rigma key, which costs $15 a month. There are other ways I get them, but I'm not going to mention those. So once you do that, you want to go here, click here to register a key. So we're going to follow that link. Gotta verify you're a human, you know. So once you do, here you go. I'm clearly a robot, you know. There. And then I don't have an account. Wait 1 second. I'm gonna have to. Ooh. Okay, yeah, I don't have one here. So what I'm gonna want to do, because I normally use my normal PC to do this, but it just depends. So what you want to do is let's just say, test VPS, and then your provider will tell you which one to do. If you use like a verified provider like that, but otherwise they'll have a code. We'll just do other. It don't matter since I'm test. Let's just pick other. Home hosted. I think yeah, you do other for home hosted. I'm pretty sure. If you have any question, okay, and then you do your server IP. So and then if you do local host, it's 127. Wait, here 1 second. I'm gonna have to find the home host IP. It's in my server CFG. Oh no, it isn't. 1 second, guys. Here, my TX admin has it. Oh. Yeah, I just looked it up here. 1 second. Okay, so you want to put this in, then guys, I'll have the other video and link a description on how to port forward. You gotta verify you're not a robot again. And then once you do, you'll get a key. I'm not gonna be using this, so I'm not gonna worry about y'all seeing the key. I'm gonna probably delete this if possible. Could not resolve what? That don't make sense. You know, I'm just gonna. I don't want. So what you would do though is I'm not gonna like put in the actual server IP because I'm not gonna give that out to y'all. But what you would do is you'd go back to the home or whatever, and you would, and it would show your key. Since it doesn't want to work, it would show your key, and you would go back here and in the change me, you'd put your key right here and that, and then also the script hook right here means you can allow people to use trainers, you know. Okay, so then like with script hook, what script hook means is it's like, so if you do one, that allows people to use, let's say, simple trainer, and a bunch of other just trainers on there. And 0 means like only server-sided trainers like vMenu, and leave the server port the same. And then here you gotta do this test server. And then once you do that, you want to click create a server. And I'm not worried about that because I'm not even gonna start up the server. I'll just tell y'all what to do. You gotta wait for it to respawn, and then you just want to wait sometimes a little bit of extra time just to make sure. And then once you do, what you're gonna do is once you do this, I normally wait just to make sure because I don't want to have to redo all that again. So you would go to your local disk drive, and then there it did it. So now I can close out of this, go to test server, and here what most people do is they create a shortcut for their desktop, and then they normally close out of that, and that's your server CFG. And then what you would want to do is go, and then your run server bat file, what you would do with that is create another shortcut, and you would throw that on your desktop. This is really important because this is how you run your server. If you have TXAdmin installed, and then you want to make sure to use the README. Then your server CFG. This is pretty important, Make sure to follow that. And see, this is how you can edit stuff. And if you do your server logo, you put it in the file where your server CFG is, and then you take that add off. And that's the host name, so that's what it would show up. And then and then the recon passwords. If everything goes bad, you can change them. Then if you don't have a key yet, you go down here and put that. And then you want to go back here. And then you would add your resources. So you add your resources here, and then once you do, you go put them in your server CFG. You do, like I do, like mine. I have mine organized. So those are the original, and then I do main scripts like that. And then I would do start or ensure it don't matter. Then you would want to save and run your server bat file. This is your console. But there guys, this is going to be the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. It's Randy and I'm out.